Today's deal is going to be on safety. Well, not lack of, but protecting the machine. You can see we've got this, I don't know if I showed this or not, but this is where I'm going to be working on the rear frame. And behind me, I've got fiberglass blankets encapsulating the whole fuel tank. We've got the machine covered, the rear window. It's quite an extensive project, and there's going to be a lot of sparklers and a lot of flames and whatever going, not flames, but sparks and welding matter. And we took the extra pains, which it isn't a pain. It's good for the machine, good for the customer. We don't wreck the rest of the machine and get it full of debris and dust and welding smoke and whatever. And this is just my way, which is the right way, to protect the rest of the machine as you're working on it. We disconnected all our computer systems, the engine ECU, the fire suppression system. Everything is ready to go. And I don't know, I will show you. Today I did what's called a dye penetrant test. I sprayed it with dye and developer to find other cracks. And there's the residue left here, this white stuff, which is the developer. And I found a multitude of them. I've got some down here, up underneath, right back in there. I kind of showed you some of them the other day, but I wanted to verify and make sure there wasn't any more. And there are some more, so more work. I have to go through this whole cross section here. She's cracked, not all the way out, but back in here. So it's going to be quite an extensive thing to do. And like I said, I'm just going to show you my way, which is my way, and go from there. Another feature I didn't show you guys, it's a little trick of the trade, maybe you can't see it. Right in here, I'm going to go around the other side. You all know these machines articulate in the middle. And for whoever's out there working on these harvesters, forwarders, frame lock on a Ponsse has a specific size where the rack moves back and forth, for lack of a better term, and pinches and locks everything tight when the boom is operating. And all we do is we take a couple of pieces of steel, the yellow piece, and we grind it and fit them. We've got some specific for each machine, and basically when you jack this machine up, you pinch them in there, vice grips. Pretty simple. Machine can't tip over. We've got 10-ton jack stands underneath it, so that's kind of what we do here to prep it for working on. We rolled the axle out yesterday, day before, and checked that all over. Everything's good, but it's going to allow me really good access, so I can do it's the only way to do a repair, in my opinion, of this type. Get everything out of my way. Basically got a clean slate to work on. All the dirt and debris, the grease, everything has been washed out of there. So basically now it's my turn to get to work and cut her open, sew it back together, reinforce it, patch it up, and make it look like something and make it last forever. So I've got my little layout of things going on here. Remove cracks. I've got everything outlined that I'm going to do in the next, it's Friday, but I'm going to work on Saturday because there won't be anybody in the shop but me. And yeah, we got everything. You got to make sure that you don't have any chance of fire, because there is, even though we washed it, there's a lot of grease behind there. Not a lot, but there's just potential. There's potential. You know what that is? Potential. That's stored energy. Potential. No, that's never mind. Just, okay, so anyways, I got the old noisemaker ready to go. Carbone Arc, and air arc, gouging, noise, hot, stink. And what I do is I've got my cords laid out. I got my service truck right outside, so I can use my big Miller engine drive. Get her to really snort. And that'll run the carbon arc. Truck outside, no stinky in here other than the smoke I make. And so that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Just wanted to bring you up to speed to where I'm at. I'm all prepped and ready to go. And like I said, I don't really want to work on Saturday, but I would be doing something anyways. So I might as well make use of the shop time when it's clear. And just so you know, one skidder left. Empty. The wife's about done with her 8,000 parts, so that's going good. And just as of yesterday, we got, spring breakup is here. Not quite. I'm pushing it a little bit. But spring breakup is right around the corner. And one of my customers decided to pull the pin this week, and I've got four machines sitting outside, and I couldn't bring them into this clean shop. I just didn't want to for the weekend. So Sunday I'll probably pull one in or two in and for Monday work for the guys, and I'll be working on this by myself and go from there. So that's what I wanted to bring you up to speed on the Ponsse Ergo Repair. So thanks for watching. As usual, I'll say it. Please subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up if you want. I'm a quarter of the way there. If you watch that video on the YouTube change, I've got, as of today, almost 250 subscribers and about 2,000 watch hours. So that's about halfway to the threshold that they put on me for this, to actually, I don't know what you call it, be a real YouTuber. So, well, anyways, if you wouldn't mind, I appreciate it. It's growing. You guys are watching, and I appreciate it. And getting comments from all over the world is kind of cool. And on the Ponsse versus and the John Deere versus video, Ponsse's got like 50 likes on it, and John Deere's got 17. Nothing against either of them, or the one that's lagging behind, but I like to see the Ponsse one out front. It's kind of cool. So, all right, take care, folks. I appreciate it again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.